Welcome to your Americana Party Hero Kit. In this video, we'll show you how to make a beautiful balloon garland step by step so you can get a clean and polished result. You can pause the video anytime if you need. First, inflate all balloons to the specified sizes, making sure they're round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently release a bit of air until it becomes perfectly round, then tie a secure knot. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Next, tie the 12-inch and 10-inch balloons in pairs by knotting their ends together. Then twist two pairs together to create clusters of 4 or 6. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now, take your 5-inch balloons and twist them into clusters of 3. Connect 2 clusters using an uninflated 260 balloon to create paired mini clusters. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Start building your garland by inserting a balloon cluster into the larger hole of the garland strip, then sliding it into the smaller hole to secure it. Continue adding clusters, alternating colors as you go. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. You can hang your garland using hooks, place it on a stand, turn it into a balloon arch, or style it in any way that works best for your setup. To finish, add your 5-inch clusters and foil balloons. Use a 260 balloon to wrap and secure them onto the garland, then attach your banner. And that's it. Your balloon garland is ready for your celebration.